Question: the shopping habits of people depend more on their age group than on any other factors. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this view? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Sample answer 1. Agreement. Many people argue that age is a more powerful determinant of individuals' shopping habits than other factors. I completely agree with this opinion because it can profoundly influence shopping habits through generational vogues and technological adaptation. The primary reason why age wields more influence on individuals' shopping habits is because of generation-specific fashion and trends. Each age group belongs to a specific fashion and trend, which exerts enormous influence on their shopping habits. In simple words, particular lifestyles and preferences evolve as people age. This in turn creates a profound impact on their shopping habits. In consequence, individuals from different age groups put emphasis on different priorities while making a decision on purchase. Someone in their 20s, for example, may give more focus on fashionable or trendy clothes, while someone in their 40s gives a high priority on quality and durability. Another compelling reason why shopping habits are largely formed by age is technological adaptability. Age can also deeply influence shopping habits through technological adaptability. That is to say that every generation has its own pace of adoption of technological advances, which also wields influence on building their particular shopping habit. For instance, people who grew up with digital technology tend to buy from online platforms using digital payment methods. They are usually comfortable embracing the latest technologies, like smart home appliances or voice assistant devices, therefore influencing their buying habits. In contrast, older people who may be less comfortable with technology are more likely to purchase from conventional brick-and-mortar stores. To conclude, I believe that age is a more crucial factor in shaping how individuals shop because different age groups have different levels of fashion trends and technological adaptation. Model answer 2. Disagreement. The shopping pattern of individuals is often influenced by various factors, and it is a common belief that age plays a predominant role. However, I disagree with the notion as I believe that other factors, such as income, technological proficiency, and personal preferences, significantly shape how people shop. Firstly, income levels greatly influence shopping habits across all age groups. Regardless of age, individuals with higher incomes have the financial flexibility to purchase luxury items and engage in impulse buying, while those with lower incomes tend to prioritize essential goods and seek discounts. For instance, a young professional earning a high salary might frequently buy designer clothing and dine at upscale restaurants, whereas an individual on a minimum may be more focused on budgeting and purchasing necessities during sales. Despite both being in the same age group, their shopping habit is greatly influenced by their income level. Secondly, technological proficiency is a critical factor that shapes shopping behavior, often outweighing age-related trends. The rise of e-commerce has revolutionized shopping, with tech-savvy individuals, irrespective of their age, preferring online shopping for its convenience and variety. For example, a tech-literate senior citizen might favor online grocery shopping to avoid the physical strain of visiting stores, while a young person with limited internet access might rely more on traditional shopping methods. This shows how technological proficiency greatly influences people's shopping habits. In conclusion, while age can influence shopping habits to some extent, other factors such as income and technological proficiency play more significant roles. These elements collectively shape an individual's shopping behavior, making it inaccurate to attribute it primarily to the age group.